Hello, people. Welcome to Great British Fish.
What?
I'm playing Civ for some reason, and here is Rob.
I found more weapons.
Hey, Rob, I'm recording.
You are?
Yeah.
Hello.
It's gonna be YouTube. What's the time? I need to check this. I have to. Now I'm gonna spend the next 20 minutes staring at the clock, making sure I get the timing right. Brilliant.
Comedy gold.
Right, I have to stop the recording at 35 past. This is quite beautiful. Civ is just a beautiful game.
Yeah. And I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Oh. I will bend over before you. I mean, no, you will bend over before me.
Yeah. That didn't work as you planned, did it?
Well, no, I was going for personal preference, but then I thought, actually, in a fighting technique, I need you to bend over.
Oh, I can adopt a policy.
Oh, I discovered sheep. Oh, ancient ruins. Yay. Oh, yeah. What policy?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Done. Honor.
Honor. Oh, you're going for a warpath, are you?
I don't know, I just did eeny, miny, mo.
It's not really that great to start off with honor. You want to get liberty or tradition?
Don't care.
Oh dear. 4 barbarian encampments discovered.
I haven't found any yet.
Okay.
In the town of Copy Watch.
Wait a second. Sorry about that.
Okay.
My cat needed the toilet.
Doesn't he have a litter, Jay?
No.
Do you not have a cat flap?
No. He sits on the toilet.
What, he sits on the toilet?
Yeah, he's a big boy cat.
What?
Oh, I discovered elephants.
I honestly can't tell if you're being sarcastic or not.
No! I found so many barbarian encampments. All surrounding me.
So have I now.
Oh god. There's actually one everywhere. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 barbarian encampments surrounding me. And I've got a scout. That's like, I don't know.
Why do I have a Japanese settler?
Oh no, did you get it from an ancient ruins?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna help you like so much. Oh, okay. The city of Knob is quite beautiful. I need to get a worker. Oh, I got a settler as well! Yes! Oh, yay, settler friends. Oh crap, a barbarian's gonna just swoop in. Some barbarian XCOM squad is gonna land next to it, steal it, and fly
I'm
off.
attacking the barbarians.
I'll have fun.
I'm beating them at the moment.
Oh, come on, City of Knob, can you please build? I need to get loads of workers. I love just just working every single tile I own. It's quite stupid, but it's also quite amazing. That's what I did when I played you last time, and
yeah,
because my production was like so high from building everything, I just pumped out nukes like every 5 minutes, like 20 nukes.
Mark, I beat them.
You beat who? Oh, what, the Barbs?
Yeah, they weren't difficult.
Well done. Wait,
I can adopt another policy, liberty.
Oh no, I'm 1 turn off getting another policy. Oh, you're ahead of me on culture somehow. What did you build?
Another city.
Oh yeah. I don't know where to find my next city. I need to find it. I think I'll put it right in the middle of all these like resources.
Mine's 2 tiles away from where my other one is.
I've got 4 deer and 3 furs.
Oh, Mark, what is your colour?
My colour is purple with a yellow ring.
I have met Geneva.
Okay. Anything that has like a dotty, like
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm really far up north, it appears, because there's ice up here. That's good.
Cold as ice.
What the hell was that?
Jesus, cold as ice.
Oh, yes, another settler. I'm gonna have 3 cities.
I've only got 2. I've got the capital of Copy Watch.
Or the AI should get really rage at you. Should stop building cities too quickly. So I'm assuming the AI will like send me a message going, even though I haven't found any.
I'm gonna call this one Yo Sushi.
Yo Sushi. Rob is
Racist.
Japanese
No, not racist.
for all those people wondering.
I might not sound it,
The
but
thing is, there is no one wondering.
yeah,
They can all tell at heart you are
yeah. Oh,
you are related to the almighty King Jong-un.
that's Korea.
Oh.
Don't you say what I think you
I
might
was
say.
just about to say same thing, then I
Yeah,
realised.
yeah.
Oh, wait a second. No, it's okay, guys. I'm on WAP. Sadly, I couldn't go as Poland because Rob can't afford Brave New World.
It's not that. I have better things to buy.
I know.
I've already got my third policy.
Alright, where do I want to put my third city? I don't really want to put it here. I'm gonna actually go. I'm gonna go. No, why is it founded Rome again? What? This game is challenged. Right, city number 2. I guess I should name someone out of another video I've done on YouTube. What were they called? Oh yeah, Avery Hardcock and Pedo Kennedy. Hardcock City.
Or is this when you were talking to, like, you convinced them you were called, like, Dildo Shenanigans or something?
What?
You convinced this kid on it that you were called Dildo Shenanigans.
Oh, on Daisy.
Oh, that was on Daisy.
I put my name as Dildo Shenanigans. He was like, Dildo Shenanigans. Yes, many shenanigans.
Yeah. Oh, I just want you to build the monument. Oh, there's barbarians.
Oh no.
They found me.
Hey, I finally got trapping. Yay. I'm gonna get the wheel.
But I don't care. I'm gonna get the.
Oh, why do settlers go so slow?
Right, you attack.
Oh, you used to start off with the wheel in Civ 4, so I keep so on so many walkthroughs, I just do all this technologies and forget about the wheel.
I did the wheel. I'm studying it now.
Yeah, I've got 6 turns left on it.
Oh my god, there's an encampment so close to me.
Oh, I found a good place to put my city. It's got a mountain next to it, which means it can do like Machu Picchu and stuff like that.
Well, this is not good. I have built 3 tiles away from a barbarian encampment.
Oh yeah, I got a worker from a thingy. No, I've got a barbarian encampment.
Oh, is this the fall of Yoshishi?
I've got 4 barbarian encampments all around me.
Oh, well, that's not good.
I've got one which is 2 tiles out of my territory. I don't know how I haven't seen one of them yet.
I've got one that is 1 tile away.
In your territory?
Not in my territory, luckily. Oh, I wish these people just leave me alone. Can you just go? Please? Please?
Plus.
Please? Please?
Oh my god, settlers. It's not that hard to walk across a mountain. Just do it.
I can imagine it would be, actually.
Well, no, not if you had, like, ice picks.
Oh, I can fire upon an enemy. Copy watch, attack.
Yes, construct a camp. Yeah, I'm getting production. Oh my god. Hardcock City is going to be so productive.
Oh, what? There's another barbarians attacking me.
Oh my god.
They're attacking Copy Watch.
I'm so scared. The amount of barbarians are going to swarm me soon. Right,
There's only 1 barbarian left at Yosushi.
I don't know what to call my second city, because I've got a guy called Pedo Kennedy, and I need to name a city after him, so I don't know what to call it. Pedo Central, or Kennedyville, or Kennedy High. Pedoville.
It's up to you.
Pedoville. Pedo High. No, City of Pedos. Pedo City. Pedo Central.
I don't know. Do you have to build something?
Pedo Central. It's funny because the majority of people who actually watch my videos are probably like 7-year-old girls. From
Are
Sims. They? Yeah, from Sims.
Uh.
And yet my characters on Sims are Avery Hardcock and Pedo Kennedy.
Wow.
On Mountain Blade, I made David Kelly. And on this, I've got Pedo Central, City of Knob, Hardcock City, and Nobby Robbie.
Nobby Robbie.
It's going to be my next city.
I've just got Yo Sushi and
Nobby Robbie will be my military capital.
right.
Nobbing Rob. Right. Oh, choose production. Sorry.
I'm gonna give Geneva money, and then they'll help me attack the barbarians.
Yeah. Oh, I'm a consul. Consul Marek Neal of... Right, guys, just want to say my name's not Marek.
It is, really.
It isn't Marek.
He's lying.
I would never call myself Marek.
Well, your dad would.
Oh, wait, what?
You don't name yourself, do you?
Oh. It's actually my mum who thought of that like weird parody of my name. Oh, I've got a bacon sandwich here just sitting here.
No, I'm quite hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet.
Oh, I don't want to eat. You know what I'm like? I don't eat food. I'm shining a laser on the bacon to cook it even more. Irradiate the bacon.
How are you beating me and I've already adopted so many policies?
Because I've got 3 cities. Ah, barbarians! No! How are they already injured? What?
Do nothing. How about do nothing?
Can I purchase a warrior? No, I can purchase a scout. They're not. Maybe they fought my scout side. Right, warrior, you're up.
I've built farm.
Right, City of Knob, you need to build me a warrior really quickly. Oh, 3 turns. Oh, good.
I've got a warrior coming in 2 turns.
Oh, crap. No, go away, stupid barbarian.
Uh-huh.
No, they're attacking my other city and there's a worker right there.
No. Oh, no.
Oh, my city bombardment's actually doing like no damage to it whatsoever.
Yeah, it's just arrows, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, worker, can you hide in the city, please? Just hide for a second. City can attack, no it can't.
What are you researching?
Pottery, and it's done.
Oh, I'm doing bronze working.
Ah, there's more barbarians, they're killing all my scouts. No!
Awesome.
Oh, my scouts won.
Not for you, not for you, I mean, for me, all my
Oh my god, these barbs suck. They just attacked my scouts just demolished them. Yeah, and they got the encampment. Oh, scouts, you gods.
A scout?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any scouts yet.
I think I'm gonna go into either writing or sailing, I don't know.
Alright, watermill. Oh, there you are. Salem?
Sailing.
Oh, sailing. Actually, Yo Sushi could use sailing.
Oh god, a barbarian encampment has spawned right next to my city. What the hell?
Do you reckon 1.5... Wait, do you reckon half a unit of spearmen and a full unit of warriors can take down an encampment?
Yeah, easily.
Alright, awesome.
Wait, you've got spearmen?
Yeah, because they just got upgraded like loads of times.
Oh, right, yeah. Pedo Central's grown. Yay! Pedo Central is growing. Wait, what? Right, workers, you can guard my territory. Do I get granary? Yeah, build a granary.
I want archery. Archery, please.
Hardcock City will produce a granary in 14 turns.
Oh, there's some... Oh, they've produced spearmen.
This video's already been like 10 minutes long. This is such an easy way of getting videos done.
Uh-huh. You attack you. You might all die.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, we did it! I did it! I captured it.
Yay! I don't know if I will be able to record this, because I don't know if I'll have enough memory to store the videos. I'll check after I've recorded this video. I'll see how much I'll tab out, see how much memory it took up, and if it takes up more than like 20 gigabytes, then I won't be able to do it.
Whereabouts are you on the map? Are you like...
I'm really far north.
North?
Yeah. I'm next to Bucharest.
I'm in the middle. I'm near Geneva.
Alright. Warriors go on alert. There are barbarians about.
I'm near some mountains.
I'm on tundra, snow, grass, and plains and desert.
I'm on desert, plains, and grassland. I need to study masonry.
I need to build a
For the
granary.
past, like, 30 turns in Yo Sushi, they've been building a monument.
Yeah, I've got another warrior. Yeah, I've got 2 warriors who can defend me.
You're taking so long on your turns.
I'm sorry.
You're worse than me.
I know. I've got my thing set to automatically, end turn. But still. Right, wait, so let me just...
Oh my god, the spearman's kicking butt.
Right.
My spearman destroyed. One spearman destroyed an entire section. I'm not even kidding. What?
Wow. That's a great place to end this video. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe to Great British Fish.
Is that what your channel's for?
Goodbye.